Welcome to the step-by-step guide for project management data migration. Are you ready to streamline your project management migration? Follow these steps for a seamless data transfer. Step 1. Create a Migration Wizard account. Start your journey by signing up on the Migration Wizard and click Start Demo Migration to set up a test data migration. Step 2. Choose your source project management system and select a project you want to transfer. Set up a migration for each project you want to import. Need a bulk migration? Contact our support team for details. Step 3. Connect your target platform and specify where your source project data will be imported. Step 4. Specify the data entities you want to transfer and check the important migration notes. Step 5. Ensure user profiles match and designate a default user for unassigned or inactive profiles. Step 6. Align task fields and consider adding missing custom fields. System fields matched automatically. Missing some data? Choose a default value for that field and move tasks with a standard value, or skip those fields if they can be left behind. If you have any missing custom fields on your target project management platform, add them in Migration Wizard. Step 7. Test the migration with a free demo. Review the results. You find a list of source record ID and their target ID. Make necessary adjustments by editing demo settings. Be sure to allow support access if you encounter any issues. Catch a tip. You can grant your teammates access to your project management data migration. Also, you can label your migrations if you have more than one migration project. Choose a support package that meets your requirements for a smoother migration experience. Expert tip. Pay attention to the plan that offers extra options like interval migration, delta migration, or remigration. Ask our support rep about the benefit of each option for your migration case. When you are ready for the full data migration, click Start or schedule it at your convenience. Visit app.relokia.com and try a free demo migration today.